When creating badges, the first thing you want to check for is to make sure the site is in the badging system. Click on Administration and go to Sites. If your sites are listed in the list, then you can begin to create badges. If your site is not listed, go ahead and click on Add Site, and then you can list the site information here and select Add Site. After adding your site, you can add your companies if you need to, and then once both those pieces are together, you can begin creating your badges.
On the left-hand column, click on Administration, and from the drop-down, click Companies. Here you'll have a list of all the companies that you have. If you are missing somebody, you can create a new company on the top right-hand corner. Something that I would suggest, because we have 3 pages of companies here, is search for the company first and then make it if you don't find it. So if we come here, if we're trying to add Next Era Energy, that's a company we already have, so we don't need to add it. But if you're missing one, you're going to click on Create New Company. You'll type out the company name. You can choose the client. You can upload a logo if you'd like. Here, if the company you're creating is working as a subcontractor for somebody, you can come here and select the company that they're working under and then hit Save. You can also activate and deactivate a badge directly from this page. If you click on Status, right here, when it does not have a line through it, the badge is active. When it has a line through it, then that means it is inactive. You also have the option to upload image. So you'll see that these badges do not have an image, but these ones do. So you can click on Upload Image, and here it'll take you back to the page where you can either take a picture or you can drag and drop a picture. If you need to make an edit to your badging template, which is the information that you're filling out as you are creating a badge, you can come here to Employee Data Template. You'll click on Single-Sided Templates. And here you will have the templates that you choose from. If we want to edit your main badge that you're using, we can click on Edit. This first section of information is what appears on the badge. So if you uncheck Photo, Badge ID, Site, this information will get removed from the picture that you're printing on the badge. The second set of information is what you are filling out about the employee that you're creating the badge for. Here you have the fields that are active, you have the label of what they're called, and then you have the type of entry that they have. So text box is a free form field. Site is the site drop down, company of all the different companies. And then here are the required fields. So any box that's checked is required, and you will not be able to make a badge without that information filled out. And one of the options is that you can come in here and you can change this. So if you really want them to have their zip code be required, you would just check this box and come down to the bottom and hit Next. And then this is the default value. So right now, the employee status is active for all employees that you're creating badges for. Once you are done, go ahead and hit Next. You would want to leave this here. It's just how the badge appears, and then you can hit Save.